The year is 1892. The empire tightens its grip upon the islands, and a man, once celebrated, now condemned, is sent to a quiet corner of the south, Dapitan, where exile meets destiny. From the decks of the steamer, Jose Rizal steps upon foreign sands.
Kaya na ba yung tinatawag nilang Rizal?
Tahimik siya, no? Parang hindi bilanggo.
Mas delikado yan. Ang tahimik, nag-iisip.
A stranger in his own land, yet even here in isolation, his spirit refuses chains. In the stillness of exile, he builds not walls, but bridges, of learning, of compassion. The town becomes his classroom, the sick his breath-in, the youth his hope. Days turn to months and Dapitan blooms before his hands. Knowledge spread like light over humble roofs, and laughter turns to one's forgotten shores.
Doktor, tulungan niyo po ako. May lagnat ako ilang araw na.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Ano ibig sabihin ng karangalan?
Ang karangalan po ay dangal ng isang tao, Ginoo.
Tama. Ngunit tandaan, ang dangal hindi lamang sa buhay. Ito ay sa gawa.
But even the mind that sought solitude finds the heart unguarded.
Magandang araw, Doktor. Ito po si Binibining Josefina. Josephine.
From across the seas came Josephine Bracken, the woman who sought help for her blind father, would awaken a gentler sorrow within him. After Rizal's successful operation to Josephine's father, together they tended gardens and dreams.
Seem at peace here.
Ang kapayapaan ay bihirang bisita ng aking puso.
And yet you still look towards the sea, as if there's waiting for something.
Hindi sa pag-asa ng pagtakas, kung hindi sa pag-asa ng isang araw. Ang bayan ito ay gigising sa sarili nitong liwanag.
Perhaps love is another kind of awakening.
Two souls bound, not by law nor church, but by the quiet vows of love and exile. Until one night,
Tao po. Pinapabigay po kay Dr. Jose Rizal.
Salamat. You've been called back?
Oo, sa Cuba upang gamutin ang may mga sakit.
At kung hindi ka na makakabalik,
Kung iyon ang kapalaran, ay tatanggapin ko.
Dapitan watches in silence as her adopted son departs. The sea that once brought him here now bears him away to his fate and to immortality.
I prayed every day that this moment would never come.
And I prayed that when it comes, I may face it with courage. Ang bawat paklakbay ay may dulo, ngunit ang pag-ibig walang hangganan.
Mahal kong Dapitan, sa iyong mga buhangin ko ay natagpuan ang katahimikan ng kalayaan. Kung sakali di na ako makabalik, naway manatili ang iyong liwanag sa puso ng bayan. Ang araw ay muling sisikat at sa bawat silahis nito, nariyan ang pag-asang hindi kailanman ipagbabawal ng sinuman.